Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here I've got a 2019 Nissan Rouge, and this is your intelligent sensor where it senses how close you are to a car ahead of you, so when you have your cruise control set and so forth. And this is right behind the Nissan symbol on your vehicle. So when you're driving down, it's gauging how close you are to cars. It'll apply the brakes. It'll slow your vehicle down if you got cruise control set on. But if you're having an issue and you've read the codes and it's telling you to replace this, you'll have to remove the front bumper. Not really have to remove the full bumper, but you'll have to remove this grill piece by removing the top piece and then popping the grill piece out, and then you'll be able to have access to this. But you've got 3 bolts here, and we have an electrical connector. So pop the electrical connector off. And undo that, and then you just got your 3 bolts. To remove, and then you can pull the sensor off, and then you would get a new one and put it on and just line it up there. It says not to drop it, so you want to be careful, because if you drop it or you get in a accident, it's gonna mess it up. There, it's all been tightened back on. And then hook your electric connector back up, and that's how you replace your intelligence sensor on your 2019 Nissan Rouge. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.